Most students waste hours rewatching lectures and still forget most of what they studied. Rewatching lectures feels productive, but it's one of the least effective ways to study. You pause, you rewind. You promise yourself you'll focus this time. The problem isn't the lecture, it's how you're studying it. Step 1. Audio to text. Instead of replaying lectures again and again, start by converting them into text. Step 2. Study in layers. Smart studying happens in layers. First, skim the text to understand the topic. Next, highlight only key ideas. Finally, turn those highlights into short notes. Step 3. Notes that work. Your notes should answer one question: what do I actually need to remember? Why this works? This works because reading is faster than listening. You're no longer passively watching. You're actively learning. You don't need more study hours. You need a better system. This is just one method from the Study Smarter, Not Longer series.